Hello, good morning students. So today I am going to tell you numerical number 11. Okay. So first of all read the question and write the all given values. So 100 joule of heat is produced each second in a 4 ohm resistance. So find the potential difference across the resistor. Okay. So what are the given values? H is given, heat 100 joule, R resistance given 4 ohm, T time given 1 second, and we have to find. So we know that for V we need I into R, right? So R is given but I is not given, so first of all we will find I. So when H, R and T are given, so we use formula we know that formula H is equal to I square RT. Okay, so I square is equal to H upon RT. So I is equal to under root H upon RT. After putting the values, I is 5 ampere. Okay, so we have found I and R is given. So we can easily find V is equal to IR. I is 5 and R is already 4 ohm. So V is 20 volt. Okay, so now next numerical number 12. An electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. A current is 0.50 ampere. What is the power of the bulb? Okay, so we know that V is given, I is given, and P we have to find. So formula of P is V into I. So V is 220 volt, I is 0.50 ampere. So after multiplication, the answer is 110. It means value of P is 110 watt. Okay. Next, numerical number 13. An electric refrigerator rated 400 watt operates 8 hours per day. Okay. What is the cost of the energy to operate it? We have to find cost of the energy for 30 days at 3 rupees per hour, for rupees 3 per kilowatt hour. It means we have to find cost of energy. So for the cost of energy, first of all we have to find energy for 30 days. Okay, so first of all we will find energy for 30 days used in refrigerator. So the total energy consumed by the refrigerator in 30 days would be, how will we find? We have to multiply it by power into the days in which refrigerator was used, means 8 hours per day, and we have to find for 30 days, so we multiply 30 days also. So 400 watt into 8 hours per day into 30 days, it means answer is 96,000 watt hour. But after divided by 1000, the energy will be 96 kilowatt hour. Okay, we have to find kilowatt. So then now we have to find, this is the cost of this is the energy for 30 days. Okay, energy consumed for 30 days. So now we have to find rate or cost. So we have to multiply it by 3 rupees. Okay, so 96 kilowatt into rupees 3 per kilowatt hour. So the answer is 288 rupees. Okay, so क्या करते हैं, जब भी हमें कॉस्ट या रेट फाइंड करना होता है किसी भी एनर्जी का, तो सबसे पहले ना टोटल एनर्जी कंज्यूम फाइंड करते हैं. कैसे? जो पावर दी है वो एंड उस पावर को कितने डेज तक यूज़ किया गया, मींस 400 वाट की पावर को 8 आवर पर डे तक यूज़ किया था और 30 डेज़ के लिए पूछा है, तो 30 का भी मल्टीप्लाई किया, 8 इंटू 400 वाट का मल्टीप्लाई किया, देन आंसर इज दिस. एंड किलो वाट में चेंज करते हैं तो आफ्टर डिवाइडेड बाय 1000, द आंसर इज 96. दिस इज द एनर्जी कंज्यूम बाय रेफ्रिजरेटर इन 30 डेज. सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड कॉस्ट. सो जितने रुपए के लिए, जितने रुपीज़ के लिए हमें फाइंड करना होता है उसका मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. ओके, मीन्स 96 किलोवाट आवर इंटू 3 रुपीज़. यूनिट वही रहेगी किलोवाट पर आवर. सो द आंसर इज 288 ओके रुपीज़. Now numerical number 14, 15 and 16. Okay, you have to do in homework. It is very easy. First of all, read the question and write all given values and use the formula. Okay, and you know that you are already aware all the formulas, okay, which I told you in the starting of chapter or middle of the chapter. Okay, you can easily see. So now you have to do this sums in numerical in homework. Okay, and along with your chapter is finished with the numericals. Okay, understood?